For this video, we'll be going over how to open NOAA, create a new patient profile, load a previous patient profile, and enter in an audiogram in the audiogram module in NOAA. So go ahead and open NOAA. Different places are going to have different passwords depending on the clinic. And in this first screen, once you enter the password, is recent patients as well as other recent patients will pop up on the left side. So if you want to go ahead and create a new patient, you click on the plus sign person in the left corner, and you will make last name, first name, gender, and date of birth. You don't need to do the address or any other information like that. So once the patient's created, their last name, first name, and then date of birth, age, and gender will pop up here, as well as the audiogram if any thresholds are entered. So if we want to enter thresholds into here from a previous audiogram or not one that's saved, we click on the top here, the audiogram module, and it will load to this screen. So you can go ahead and it defaults to air. Go ahead and mark some thresholds. And here will be the left side. Now if we want to add some bone, you go ahead and click up here, and now these are unmasked bone. But if you want to add masked, go ahead and click here, and you can go ahead and change them to masked. So once you're done, go ahead and click save. And now once it's saved, showing up here, press X and it will show in the middle what you got for the audiogram. So if we want to load a previous patient, go ahead and find their name on the side, and if they have thresholds, they'll pop up in the middle.